Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today I want to show you how to make homemade barbecue sauce. Okay, how about that? We're gonna go for it, guys. Let's do our homemade barbecue sauce because sometimes you don't have a container of the store bought barbecue sauce, but what you do have is the main ingredients right in your house, and you can then make your own homemade barbecue sauce. And there's a lot of added things that you can add or leave out. It's all up to you, okay? So I'm just going to show you my way, and then you can take it from there. How about that? Okay, let's do it. Okay, guys, so this is our main ingredients. Ketchup, okay? So I have a cup of ketchup in my bowl here. This is a cup of ketchup, okay? And then we're gonna add some mustard, to give it a little ting. Okay? So watch this. We're gonna just do like 3 or 4 drops, okay? We ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we did 4 drops of mustard. Alright, so now this is crushed red peppers. You can use crushed red peppers or you can use hot sauce. I have here sriracha hot sauce. It's a chili sauce. It's very, very hot. Sriracha hot chili sauce, it says. Okay? You can use this or the crushed peppers. I'm going to choose the crushed red peppers. Okay? Alright, so the best way I can show you that is we're going to do 1, 2, 3 pinches, okay? So the pinch can be as big as you like or as little as you like. It's all up to you, okay? Now I got some kosher salt here. We're just going to sprinkle a little salt. Okay. And then the second main ingredient is apple cider vinegar, or if you don't have this, you can use any vinegar you have in your house. Maybe you have white distilled vinegar, whatever vinegar you have. Okay, so I'm going to start off with 2 tablespoons of this vinegar. It's 1, 2. Okay, and then I'm going to add 2 packages of equal substitute. Let me show you that. It's Taste Blue, it's called, but it's just an equal substitute or a sugar substitute. Let me put it that way. Okay, so we're going to add 2 packages of this. If you don't want to add this, you don't have to. If you want to add another sweetener like honey, you may. Okay, the sweetener is all up to you. Okay, so now guys, we just want to mix this until we make it all one. And then we're going to taste it. Okay, that looks pretty incorporated to me. So now I'm going to taste it and see what I'm missing. And what we're looking for is like a a vinegar type taste and tart taste, right? Okay, and a spicy taste. No, I'm tasting a sweet taste right now. And I do taste the vinegar. Okay, so I'm gonna add another tablespoon of vinegar. So that's 3 tablespoons of vinegar. I think that will do it for the vinegar. And I'm going to put some of this hot sauce in here. Just a couple of shakes. Oh, that's 1 shake. 2 shakes. I think that ought to be plenty hot now. Now remember, the crushed peppers, they really won't activate until you start cooking with them. The heat will bring out the crushed red peppers, okay? But the sriracha, that's going to taste hot immediately because it's already liquefied into a liquid flavor. Okay. Now let me taste that. And I'm going to let you watch me taste that. Yes. Okay. The barbecue sauce is now ready, guys. So that took 5 minutes, right? So just remember, you want to barbecue something and you don't have any barbecue sauce in your house, you can now make it. We made it with ketchup and mustard and hot sauce and red crushed peppers, a little salt, and some apple cider vinegar. How about that, huh? Okay. So just remember, it's all up to you whether you want to go out and pay $1.50 or $1.99 for some barbecue sauce when you already have ketchup in your house. Come on now, right? Okay, so let me take a picture here. See if I can do that. And I probably can't. Yeah, this is, okay, that's the best I can do. Barbecue sauce, okay? Okay, guys. Let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is, are you broke? You need some help? Okay. Well, you can take care of that problem. Go out and help yourself, okay? Get a job or babysit, or maybe you can ride people to work, or maybe you can do errands for people. Do whatever you can to help yourself, okay? Take yourself out of that situation because you can do it. I'm counting on you. I know you can, okay? All right, help yourself, get a job, or help yourself out that financial hole, okay? Okay, please hit the thumbs up if you like the video. I showed you how to make that barbecue sauce, okay? And please share the video because everybody needs to know that they can make their own barbecue sauce. And then you can put your own little twist in it. You know, some people put relish in there. Some people put oil in theirs. There's a number of things that you can put in your barbecue sauce, okay? So you make one that and call it your own, okay? All right, so I'll talk to you next time. Loving it. Bye-bye.